How to install WordPress manually. Installing WordPress manually involves a few steps, including setting up a database, configuring a server, and uploading WordPress files. Here's a detailed guide. Prerequisites. 1. Domain name and hosting asterisk. You need a domain name, example yourwebsite.com, and a hosting account with a web hosting provider. 2. FTP client asterisk. Download and install an FTP client like FileZilla to transfer files to your server. 3. Database information asterisk. Create a MySQL database and a user with full privileges for that database. Note down the database name, username, and password. Step-by-step installation. Step 1. Download WordPress. 1. Visit the official WordPress website, https://wordpress.org/download, and download the latest version of WordPress. 2. Extract the downloaded zip file to a folder on your computer. Step 2. Create a database. 1. Log into your own hosting control panel. 2. Find the MySQL databases or a similar option. 3. Create a new database and a user, noting down the database name, username, and password. 4. Assign a user full privileges to the database. Step 3. Configure wp-config.php. 1. Locate the wp-config sample.php file in the WordPress folder. 2. Rename it to wp-config.php. 3. Open wp-config.php in a text editor. 4. Replace the placeholder values with your actual database information. Define db_name, your database name. Define db_user, your username. Define db_password, your password. Define db_host, localhost. Save the changes. Step 4. Upload files to server. 1. Open your FTP client and connect to your server using the provided FTP credentials from your hosting provider. 2. Navigate to the root directory of your website, usually public_HTML or www. 3. Upload all the WordPress files from your local machine to the server. Step 5. Run the WordPress installation. 1. Open your web browser and go to your domain, example http://yourwebsite.com. 2. The WordPress installation wizard should appear. 3. Select your language and click continue. 4. Enter your database information when prompted. 5. Click run the installation. 6. Fill in the site title, username, password, and email address for the administrator account. 7. Click install WordPress. 8. After the installation is complete, click login and enter your credentials.